Installing ESD PVC flooring is crucial for environments where controlling electrostatic discharge (ESD) is important. Here's a simple guide for installing ESD floors using conductive adhesive and a grounding system. Materials needed: ESD flooring tiles, conductive adhesive, copper strip for grounding, cement surface, existing floor. Installation steps: prepare the cement surface. Ensure the cement surface is clean, dry, and smooth before installation. Any dust, dirt, or moisture could interfere with the adhesive bond. Apply conductive adhesive. Use a notched trowel, and apply the conductive adhesive evenly over the cement surface. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper coverage and drying times. Install the copper strip for grounding. Place the copper strip in a suitable location based on the layout. The strip should connect to the conductive adhesive beneath static control flooring tiles. It will provide the necessary grounding to dissipate static electricity. Lay the ESD control flooring tiles. Begin laying the anti-static flooring tiles over the adhesive. Press them down firmly to ensure good adhesion. Make sure ESD control PVC tiles fit tightly together, leaving minimal gaps. Final check. After ESD vinyl flooring tiles are in place and the adhesive has cured, check the system for any loose tiles or areas with poor adhesive contact. Test the grounding to ensure proper ESD control. Following these simple steps, you can install ESD PVC flooring tiles that provide effective static control in laboratories, cleanrooms, or electronic manufacturing facilities.